What's up, guys? In this video we're going to talk about the One Funnel Away Challenge, which is coming up on February 25th. So for those of you who don't know, this is a ClickFunnels 30-day challenge where you have 30 days of live training, and they basically teach you how to make this one funnel that's supposed to like make you, make you basically get it and start making lots of money, or at least start making some kind of money. And I think that would be a good idea because, we could all use more money, especially me. And yeah, so basically this is the sales page. Just go to onefunnelaway.com/challenge, or just click the link in the description and you get well, you don't get anything, but I'll get money if you do it. But anyway, yeah, this is the One Funnel Away Challenge. Click here to join the challenge now. Now, I actually already did this, but you can see it's fairly diverse sales page. It's $100 to join, and what they actually don't tell you is that you have to pay $20 shipping as well. But you do get a lot of cool stuff. You get 30 days of video missions. You get 30 days of coaching. This is all basically the basic stuff. You get this customized kit. You get a physical copy of the challenge workbook, an MP3 player with, I'm assuming, lots of like information, like audio stuff on it, I assume. 30 days hardcover book, unlimited access to 30 days interviews, behind the scenes 2 Comma Club interviews as well. So yeah, so this hardcover book, 550 pages, that's kind of insane. But the thing that I like about this, one of the reasons why I decided to sign up, is that it's basically like this right here. Recently I asked 30 of my rich people that I know if they had to do everything over. Let's say they lost everything, they had to do it all over again in 30 days, what would you do? And, allegedly this is the program that came out of that. So I kind of like that. No product, no list, no traffic, no reputation, and no funnel. So I'm thinking that this is going to be pretty good. I'm pretty excited for it. It starts in 11 days. And yeah, I'm stoked. I signed up. I'm going to be doing basically one video every day that kind of documents the challenge and my progress with it and what I'm doing. And I encourage you guys, if you have a YouTube channel, you should do the same. And if you have any questions about this whole thing, let me know, and I'll be happy to try and answer it for you. So that's it. If you guys want to sign up for the challenge, I'll put a link in the description. Just keep in mind that it's $100 plus the $20 for shipping. But like I said, they do ship you a lot of stuff with it, like all of this crap. So yeah, anyway, if you guys want to do that, let me know, and like, comment, subscribe. Peace.